Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. So in today's tactic, I'll be showing you how to create a ChatGPT account so you can be able to use the new OpenAI service called ChatGPT. So the first thing we want to do is go to chat.openai.com and they're going to be presented with this page. Now, if you have an account already, simply click on Login. If you don't have an account, then click on Sign Up. And then put in your email address. And then click on Continue. Now before I click on that, you also have the option to create an account with your Google account or your Microsoft account if you want to, but personally I prefer to have all my different online accounts separate from each other and I can link them up later if I want to. But for now, I'll just leave it as a separate account. So I'll use my email address. Click on Continue. Then it's going to ask me to put in a password. So let me put in a password. You can click on this to see what you've typed in, or if you are sure what you've typed in, simply click on Continue. Now that GPT will ask you to verify your email, so simply open a new tab and log into your email account. Or if you're using your phone, you can simply go to the Gmail application or whatever email client you're using and check your Gmail, or check your email, whatever email address you added there, you should get an email like this from OpenAI. So click on that email and then click on the link inside the email that says Verify Email Address. So click on that. It should automatically open a new tab and let you now create your profile. So let's create our profile. So I'll put in my first name and my last name. Then click Continue putting your phone number. And then send code, and when you do this ChatGPT you will send a code to your phone so that you can actually verify the owner of that phone number you put. So make sure you put our phone number that's actually working and also a phone number that can actually receive text messages. So I just got my code on my phone, so let me, and then send code, and when you do this ChatGPT you will send a code to your phone so that you can actually verify the owner of that phone number you put. So make sure you put our phone number that's actually working and also a phone number that can actually receive text messages. There you go. So we are now inside ChatGPT. As you can see, we're being asked to log out, which means we are inside the ChatGPT account. And it's as simple as that. That's how to create your ChatGPT account. I've been making subsequent videos on how to use ChatGPT, how to get around this website, and this artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.